Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In today's video, we'll discuss about drug master file. What is drug master file? Type of drug master file. Each type we'll discuss briefly. So without wasting our time, let's start our video. So what is the drug master file and where we submit this drug master file? We'll discuss each thing briefly. So let's start with the introduction of Drug Master File. Drug Master File is shortly known as DMF, a submission to FDA to use to provide the confidential detailed information about facility, processes or article used in the manufacturing processes, packaging and storing of human drug product. It's mean we send confidential information like the information which we cannot reveal, like manufacturing, how do we manufacture that API, route of synthesis of that particular active pharmaceutical ingredients, we cannot disclose it with easily, so that's we submit to agency only. We submit the detail about facilities in that particular DMF process, how do we manufacture that, how do we pack that particular API, like primary packaging material, secondary packaging material and outermost packaging material. So let's start with the type of drug master file. So basically there are five type of drug master file. Type 1 about plant information. In type 1, basically manufacturing sites, facility, operating procedures and personnel which is no longer accepted by FDA. And type 2 is about drug substance intermediates and material used in their preparation or drug product. And type 3 is about packaging material, and type 4 is about excipients, colorant, flavor, essence or material used in the preparation, and type 5 is about accepted reference information. So let's start with the type 1. In type 1 DMF, manufacture of API, the company which manufactures the API provide the below listed document to the FDA in order to conduct the site investigation. It's in type 1, we can shortly we can say that in type 1 we send the information of plant to the FDA to conduct the audit at manufacturing site. First of all is physical manufacturing site address as well as on map location, like where your API gets manufactured. We have to send them in type DMF1, we have to send them the physical address along with the map location. Equipment capabilities means which equipment we are using to prepare the API. So equipment capabilities, uh, like which make of instrument we are using, we have to send the document to them. Operation layout, production and processing area diagrammatically. In a diagram we have to operation layout, like production area, where do we work, we have to send all these details in type 1 DMF and we send it to FDA. What is the type 2 DMF? In type 2 DMF, drug substance intermediates, material used in their preparation and drug product. It includes all the significant steps used in the manufacturing and control of the drug intermediates and drug substance. In type 2 DMF, it includes the significant step, like which steps we use for the preparation of either intermediate or drug substance. Each ROS, route of synthesis, everything that comes under type 2. It also include the list of material used in the preparation of intermediates or drug substance. The material which we use for the intermediate to make intermediate or to make drug substance, that comes under type 2. Holder must describe all the steps involved in the manufacturing or intermediate of drug substance. That includes like each and every steps which involves in the manufacturing of intermediates or drug substance. It must include detailed account of the chemistry, manufacturing and control, as well as of the analytical method validation. Like analytical, we manufacturers need to submit the documents of analytical method validation of intermediate as well as active pharmaceutical ingredients, means drug substance, to the FDA. So we'll discuss about the third type of DMF. In third type of DMF, in the type 3 DMF holder must provide the below information: packaging material and intended use along with its component and compositions, name of the suppliers and fabricators of component used in the preparation of packaging material, all the packaging material in which API kept, example primary packaging material, secondary packaging material and outermost packaging material, along with their specific and relevant documents, food grade certificate and toxicology data of these material. Okay, first of all we'll understand the in type 3 type 3 DMF. Majorly we talk about the packaging of that active pharmaceutical ingredient, like how do we package that. So first of all we need specification and analytical procedure of each packaging material. With the primary packaging material means the material which is directly contact to that particular API, that's called as the primary packaging material. We need characterization data of that particular primary packaging material. And the second thing we have discussed, food grade certificate, the material which we are using, that should be food grade with that should be come with along with the food grade certificate and toxicology data of this material. So let's talk about the type 4 DMF. The type 4 DMF corresponds to preparatory materials such as excipients, colorant, flavor and essence. These additives must be described according to their manufacturing method, specification and testing procedure. It is also required to provide the toxicological data related to these material in the same DMF of type 4. So in this type 4 type of DMF, we discuss about which materials, which color we use, that should be food with food colors, like that should no harm to the human beings. Excipients which we use, which color we use, flavor which flavor we use, that everything should be of food grade. So that is all we use in the DMF 4. So type of 5 type of DMF 5. So DMF type 5 is not longer accepted by the FDA. It has been discontinued. The type 5 DMF content FDA content reference information. FDA strongly discouraged the type 5 DMF for to generate the duplicate information. The holder first required to write a letter to FDA. Once FDA give permission, then only holder can proceed further. Thank you. If you like our video, please do like, subscribe and share our channel.